The civil authorities has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas, United States, at 1:42 p.m. April 20th, 2025 effective until 4:36 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration have reported a moon, known as the Supermoon, has become brighter, and it's moving towards Earth for an unexplainable reason. However, many reports of civilians have reported that they're turning themselves into werewolf-like creatures, but except they had large claws over their hands, black eyes with white glowing pupils, and have extreme aggression to civilization. This is the worst phenomenon we expected. Well, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration are trying to figure out the solution to put an end to this situation that it is undercover. All residents in the United States are urged to seek an underground shelter immediately, as you may turn yourself as an werewolf if you don't choose to hide yourself. And also, most importantly, remain calm and don't panic, as panicking will make the situation worse. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous phenomenon.
We have interrupted our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. Do not turn off your radio and TV at this time, as this situation contains an ongoing national crisis for the entire United States. The moon, known as the supermoon, had been reported became more brighter in the entire US, and especially for Canada and Mexico have been reported to be affected by the situation that is currently going on. In addition, the supermoon has moved a bit more closer through planet Earth, and it has been discovered the people that were becoming into werewolves has found out that it was all cause a virus called Moonlight XDS48. This is a dangerous situation. All residents in the United States are advised to seek a safe and underground shelter immediately. Do not go outside, as you will become a werewolf. Gather every source of supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, a flashlight, chargers, and a battery power or a hand crank radio with extra batteries of lasting for the duration of this event. Stay tuned for more information and further updates on this dangerous situation.